To take a screenshot on OnePlus Nord 5, first of all we'll need to open a settings on our device. We can then scroll down and look for accessibility and convenience options. When you enter them, scroll down again and enter screenshot section. That way you will find all of the options that you can use to make a screenshot. First one is a 3-finger swipe down, so you can scroll down your fingers like that. Additionally, we have a 3 fingers touch and hold to capture a selected amount of screen. There's also a power and volume down button right here and right here. I will actually try to do it. I'm not sure if it will work. I need to grab my phone for that. Okay, so we press those 2 buttons and we take a screenshot. Okay, and the last thing that you can try is in the plus key settings, and they should be right here. You can assign screenshot to this button right here on the left side of your phone. If you press on it, then you will capture a screenshot as well. And that is basically everything.